Good morning, everybody. It's Sunday morning. We've had a bit of a lie-in today. We had quite a late night last night. Last night on Scarlet Lady, it was what they call a splash of scarlet. So they had events happening all over the ship. Staff would spring out of nowhere, do little dance routines or act out little roles. It was fun. We ended up having dinner at the Italian, which was called Extra Virgin. It was very good. Food was amazing. Service was great. After that, we went for a drink at the bar on the rocks. Got chatting to people. Everyone was in really good mood, very jovial. We then ended up on the pool deck where there was a party going on. People were jumping in the pool. The music was loud. There was a great big inflatable octopus up there. It's fun. After that, a lot of us headed down to the nightclub. I can't remember the last time I was dancing in a nightclub. We didn't stay too long because it was really busy in there and really hot. But we had a bit of a boogie and then retired. As I say, we've slept in a bit later this morning. I think it's now getting, what time is it? It's about 9:30, which is really late for us. Peter just disappeared to get some coffees. We've got a lazy morning. We've got brunch booked in the Wake, which we've heard rave reviews about, but that's not till 11:45. We might get a snack somewhere before then, but we might save ourselves because by all accounts, the brunch in the Wake is amazing. So we'll look forward to that. The ship is currently, I think, heading along the English Channel. I haven't stepped outside onto the sea terrace, but the weather looks okay. I'm going to do a ship tour today, so I'm going to be walking around and capturing as many venues as I can to show everybody later. Once again, I would just say the ship is amazing. She's beautiful, she's different, she's great, and we can't wait to share that with you. See you later. Bye. Bye.